My name is Eric Mooney with SkipperBud's. I'm going to walk you through a 2021 Grady White 300 Marlin. We'll start up here, and then at the end of the video I'll walk down so you can see the hull side. This boat's equipped with twin Yamaha 300 horsepower engines. And starting back here, you can see there's a nice boarding area with the ladder, and easy enough to walk through to either side of the transom. Right in the back there's a fish box that obviously can also be used as storage, and then a live well on this side. And directly underneath is a pop-out bench seat. But as you can see, the cockpit's just massive. If you're not fishing, you can throw some deck chairs out, coolers, whatever, so plenty of space for seating and fishing. Easy entry up both sides. You can idea access to the bow, and there's a little snap-in cushion that goes up here, and then your windlass anchor as well. This particular boat is rigged for fishing, obviously. Riggers on that side, rocket launchers across the hardtop. Nice seat on both port and starboard side. Your helmet says Garmin Electronics, and then Garmin radar as well. And the boat does have a bow thruster, autopilot. It has a nice isinglass enclosure. Isinglass is in great condition. I have the center part rolled up. You could remove all three sections though if you want. Head down in the cabin. Nice one burner cooktop, sink, refrigerator, microwave, and then your fusion radio unit. And the boat does have AC when it's hooked to shore power. You have your AC and DC panel here, and then forward V berth, which also converts into a dinette by removing this cushion, lifting up the table that's underneath. There's even additional rod storage down here. And you do have a separate vacuum flush head and wet head, and then an aft berth, kind of hard to see back here. Really quick, I'll walk down so you can see the condition of the hull side. Positive of having a boat in storage is you can see the boat when it's out of the water. Boat does have bottom paint, and it's again in really good condition, no chips anywhere. It should give you a nice view of the boat. Again, my name's Eric. If you would like any additional information on this Grady White 300 Marlin, please don't hesitate to reach out.